Chicken Karahi is a popular South Asian dish that is typically made with marinated chicken cooked in a tomato-based gravy with spices and herbs. Here's a simple recipe to make chicken karahi at home. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless chicken, cut into small pieces. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 large onion, chopped. 2 to 3 tomatoes, chopped. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Salt to taste. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Instructions: 1 heat oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. 2 add cumin seeds and let them crackle for a few seconds. 3 add onions and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes or until they turn translucent. 4 add ginger and garlic paste and sauté for a minute. 5 add chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and mushy. 6 add coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala powder, and salt. Mix well. 7 add chicken pieces and mix well until they are coated with the tomato-based gravy. 8 cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked and the gravy has T9 thickened. 9 garnish with fresh coriander leaves. 10 serve hot with naan, roti or rice. Enjoy your homemade chicken karahi. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.